YouTube channel. Today we are going to make paneer gravy. Let us see the ingredients one by one. Chop 1.5 medium-sized tomato. Take 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and fennel seeds. So here I have used paneer which I prepared by myself, so which comes to around 170 grams. So if you are buying from outside, 200 grams of paneer will be enough. We'll add the homemade paneer recipe in the next video. Do watch. Let us see the masala items. Take 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder and Garam Masala. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Chop and keep 1.5 medium-sized onion. Take the required salt. Take half cup grated coconut or coconut cut into small cubes. Now heat a pan, add cumin seeds and fennel seed. Add the chopped onions. Now add the required salt and salt the onion till it becomes translucent. Continue sauteing it for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Salt and mix well. Now add all the masalas. Continue stirring and mixing till the tomatoes are mashed. Add the cooled onion tomatoes to a mixer jar. Blend it to a smooth paste without adding much water. Now again heat the pan and add the paste. Saute it for around 2 minutes. Once the paste starts to bubble, add the cubes of paneer. Add 1/4 cup of water. Stir and mix well. Cook until the gravy turns thick. Now sprinkle some crushed Kasuri Methi to add flavor. This is optional. Now the gravy has cooked well. Sprinkle curry leaves or any herbs of your choice. Switch off the flame. Our paneer gravy is ready. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.